Hi, this is Olga, loud and clear, your voice in logistics. And this is Friday. A few years ago, I was involved in monitoring a pharma shipment that at the first glance looked completely under control. Packaging was validated, routing had been used many times before, shipment departed on time, everything on the dashboard was green. Then one small delay happened during transit. Nothing dramatic, just enough time on the tarmac to create a slight temperature drift, half degree Celsius above the range. Technically, it was minor, but within hours, the entire situation changed. The shipment was placed on hold. Operational teams started escalating. Quality teams requested data reviews. Phone calls started between multiple countries and partners. Everyone was suddenly trying to answer the same question: is the product still safe to release? What struck me most wasn't the deviation itself. It was the invisible workload created behind it. People often imagine temperature excursion as a product problem, but in reality, it quickly became a coordination problem, a decision-making problem, communication problem, and sometimes a patient continuity problem. Because while the shipment is waiting for disposition, the clock keeps moving. Hospitals still expect deliveries, patients still need treatment, commercial teams still need answers, quality teams still need evidence. And every additional hour creates pressure around the whole network. That experience changed the way I think about pharma logistics. We often measure success through compliance. Was the shipment in range? Was the deviation documented? Was CAPA completed? But compliance metrics alone do not capture the true operational cost of an excursion. The real impact lives in investigations, delays, escalations, uncertainty, and the human effort required to stabilize the situation. Sometimes a shipment technically survives an excursion, while the organization around it absorbs enormous strain. That is why I believe pharma logistics is no longer just about moving products compliantly from A to B. It's about building resilient systems that can absorb disruption without losing control. Because in our industry, even a small excursion can create consequences far bigger than the temperature graph itself. And most dashboards still don't show this part. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful weekend.